Welcome to Softspot Reviews. Today, we talk about Storyshacks, 6-figure super prompt. Storyshacks' 6-figure super prompt review is an exciting new opportunity for anyone looking to create and sell children's books using AI tools. This innovative system allows you to easily generate engaging stories and educational content for kids without any prior writing experience. The Storyshacks 6-figure super prompt review provides a simple, fill-in-the-blank prompt that you can use with free AI writing tools to produce high-quality children's books on any topic in just minutes. With the Storyshacks 6-figure super prompt review, you can tap into the lucrative children's book market and potentially earn $1,000 plus per day selling your creations. The creators, Crawford and Andreas Quintana, claim to have made over $270,000 in just 5 days using this exact prompt system. Now, they are offering access to their secret formula for the low price of $9.95. The Storyshacks 6-figure super prompt review allows you to create an unlimited number of books for any age group on any topic imaginable. One of the key benefits highlighted in the Storyshacks 6-figure super prompt review is that you can use completely free AI tools to generate your book content. There's no need for expensive software or services. The prompt is designed to work with popular free AI writing assistants to produce engaging stories and educational material quickly and easily. This makes it an extremely cost-effective way to build a children's book business. The Storyshacks 6-figure super prompt review emphasizes how the children's book market is shifting more towards online sales, creating a huge opportunity for digital creators. With this system, you can tap into platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and more to reach a global audience of parents and educators looking for quality children's content. The creators provide training on how to leverage these marketplaces effectively. According to the Storyshacks 6-figure super prompt review, this is a year-round profit opportunity, as children's books remain in demand throughout all seasons. The system allows you to quickly create themed books for holidays, back to school, and other peak selling periods to maximize your earnings potential. With the right marketing strategies, your AI-generated children's books could turn into a consistent long-term income stream. The Storyshacks 6-figure super prompt review includes several valuable bonuses to help you succeed, including live training sessions on using the prompts effectively, strategies for building recurring income, and a list of 500 top-selling children's book topics. While the creators are confident in their system, they do have a no-refund policy due to the nature of the digital product. However, at just $9.95 for access, it's a low-risk investment to test out this potentially lucrative book creation method. Thanks for watching Softspot Reviews channel.